In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Bitstamp app. So the Bitstamp mobile app allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency on the go. So first, make sure you download the Bitstamp app from your App Store if you're using an iOS or Google Play Store if you are using an Android. So now, open the app and then log in using your Bitstamp account credential. So in here, I already have an account created on my desktop. So you'll need to enter your account in here if you already have an account, but if you don't have yet created an account, you can click the create account button. So in here, you'll need to enter your email address that was registered on a Bitstamp account on your desktop, and then enter your password and wait for it. Click the continue button and then check the I am human or the CAPTCHA. So wait for it to load up. So in here, you'll need to create a PIN to make assigning it easier. So we'll need to create an account PIN. And then you can also enable the biometric or set it up later. But in this case, I will just enable my biometric on my phone. And you can also enable the notifications to stay updated. So enable it, just enable it, allow it. And then you can also customize your privacy. And that's it. So continue in basic mode. You can also explore the pro mode. It's up to you. But since we are still a beginner in here, I'm just going to click this continue in basic mode. And as you can see in here, I already logged in with my account. And in here, before we start, you'll need to verify your account first in order to access the fully features here in Bitstamp. So let's talk about how to deposit funds. So before trading, deposit money or crypto in your account to start buying a crypto or selling a crypto. So in order to do that, you can look for the deposit. So let's find the deposit in here. So okay, I haven't seen the deposit button. Oh yeah, you'll need to click this 2 arrow and then click the deposit. And then in here, you'll need to choose your fiat currency or asset if you are depositing a crypto. So for example, US dollar. So as you can see in here, my account is not activated because I need to verify it first. So assumingly we verified my account. So once you click a crypto or a money in here, you will see an options for a payment method. So you can use a bank transfer. It could be SEPA or wire. You can also use a credit or debit card or a PayPal if available. And then follow the prompts and complete the transactions. So same goes with the cryptocurrency if you want to transfer it to your Bitstamp account. So just tap a asset you want to add deposit and then copy your Bitstamp wallet address and transfer funds from an external wallet. So now to buy and sell crypto, so tap this again and then you will see here the buy and sell button. So if you want to buy, you can just click on that and then select any assets you want to buy. For example, the audios. So as you can see, my account is not yet verified. So assumingly we have a verified account in here. So once you click on that and select a crypto trading pair, you can choose between a market order, limit order, or a stop order. So if you want to choose the market order, this is instant buy and sell at market price. If you choose the limit order, this is set your desired price. You can set your desired price in here. And then if you choose the stop order, you can execute the trade when the price is reached. And after that, enter the amount and confirm your order. And then for the withdraw funds, click on this again, and then you will see here the withdraw. So if you want to cash out, you can just tap the withdraw and then choose a withdrawal method in here. It could be a bank transfer for fiat withdrawals or crypto wallet for sending to external wallets. And then you'll need to enter the details and confirm. And then check your balance and view your real-time charts under the dashboard sections. Set up price alerts to get notified about price changes. And that's it. You're now ready to trade and manage your crypto using the Bitstamp account. And that's how to use a Bitstamp application on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.